Morning, everyone. It's 8:50 and it's Thursday, so it's claims day. Initial claims down 51,000 to 364,000. Continuing claims, however, 3,469,000 up from 3,413,000. Right around the same number. Kind of surprising. We also, between 9:45 and 10 o'clock, have ISM manufacturing, IHS manufacturing PMI, and construction spending. So we'll see about those. Okay, the futures are higher. They have been higher than where they are now. The Dow looks to open up about 80. The S&P up about 575. The NASDAQ slightly weak, but not enough to really be concerned about. Down about $6, so nothing much there. Okay, Gap stores closing, UK and Ireland, all stores going completely online. Hertz exiting bankruptcy. This is one of the standouts where they didn't wipe out 100% of the shareholder equity. And the stock has moved from a low of 83 cents to a high of $9, currently selling at $8 and change. So I guess that one works out. Unusual, but, there are exceptions to every rule. MU, Micron, beat top and bottom line. The stock, however, is down $1.65 at 83 and change. Walgreen Boots also beat top and bottom line, went the other way, 53.91, up $1.30 or 2.5%. We also had some great IPO action yesterday. All of them up a little bit more this morning. And there was one that I actually saw on the tape but didn't know, other than to know that it was a Chinese company, which I tend to be in staunch opposition to trading anything Chinese. CPOP. It's an entertainment company based on hip-hop. They did 6.2 million shares at $6. It traded 30 yesterday. Today it has a range of 20 to 60. The last, 56.5, up 26.20. I'm just mentioning it. You certainly wouldn't suggest trading it for several reasons. First, going from 6 to 60 in 24 hours, but more specifically, I don't buy China stocks. I don't do anything in China if I can possibly avoid it. They're celebrating their 100th anniversary, and to say that they are bullies is a gross understatement. They have wiped out democracy in Hong Kong in just about a year after taking it back over. Okay, off my soapbox, we have Chevron selling some Permian properties for about $1 billion. We have Shell, Royal Dutch, and Exxon looks like they're getting out of a deal in California. We have Boeing with a new CFO who came from GE, and I don't really have a lot of information on him. His last name is West. And another IPO today, DNUT, Donut. Krispy Kreme coming back. Came back last time at as KKD. Coming back today, it is priced well below the expected range. And frankly, I think that might be a good thing from the trading standpoint. The initial range was 21 to 24. the stock is coming at 17. I don't know whether that's to build in a pop or whether there was just not that much demand for it. And last but not least, we have CureVac, a company with a vaccine. The stock is down from 126 to a low of 47 just last month. The efficacy of their vaccine is only 48%. The stock is currently trading, after it rallied off 47 a week and a half ago, is currently trading 63.96, down 10. Okay, so last night I told you all about the extreme moves based on the crop report in the grains. Those continue this morning. We have corn up another 20 cents a bushel. Soybeans up 86 yesterday, up another 21 today. Wheat up another 7 and change. Red wheat up $2, 2.5 cents and change. Spring wheat up 7. The only one that's down is oats. We also have a huge move here in the oil, again up over $2. So that takes us, that will take us on that weekly chart to another new high, uninterrupted. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks in a row. Higher low, higher high. Getting a little on the extreme side, have to admit that. But if you look at it, I said on Sunday that I thought we were headed back to this 76.90. Right now we're 75.45 with a high of 75.87. To go a little bit further, there's that 76. After that we're 80, 82, 85. So pretty nice move in the oil, and it just keeps on going. The gold was up about, well, let's see, it's up $6 right now. It was up an additional 3.5 before the claims number came out. It sold off to up about $4, but it is now, as I said, up 6 or 6.10 again. And what I wanted to show you is that after this big sell-off I've been mentioning has to make the same situation here as in Bitcoin. It came down hard, rallied. Now it consistently has to make higher highs. We do already have a higher high yesterday to today. In fact, it looks like we may have, let's see, 79.20. 80. Okay, so we have a slightly higher high than the day before yesterday. The next one is 1786. I'd really like to see it close out the week somewhere near there, or 1800. We bought it. We averaged down on the options, and I'm assuming that we will be profitable at the open. All right, everyone. That's all I have. I'll be back later in the day, and if any of those other economic numbers at 9:45 and 10 o'clock are extreme, I'll be back with another video. Have a good morning. Be careful out there, and don't forget to subscribe.